Create this professional coffee poster in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Change the background color to a black coffee tone. Go to Elements and add a coffee cup. Rotate it to 10 degrees. Resize and position it properly on the canvas. Add a text box. Type your heading in uppercase and set the font to Anton. Change the font color to white. Go to Effects and choose Hollow. Set thickness to 20. Add another text box. Change the font to Montserrat. Use lowercase letters. Change the text color to white. Increase the letter spacing. Go to Elements and add a shape. Set stroke weight to 2. Make the shape color transparent and stroke color white. Resize and position the shape accordingly. Add another text. Type in uppercase. Set the font to Montserrat. Go to Elements and add a line shape. Set stroke weight to 2 and color to white. Adjust size and position of the line. Duplicate the text as needed to create design balance. Add a new text box if required and duplicate for repetition and consistency. Go to Elements and add a leaf shadow. Flip it horizontally. Go to Position and drag it to under all the layers. Return to Elements and add a leaf. Make it 70% blurry. Duplicate this leaf. Add a coffee bean. Increase brightness by 20 and apply 70% blur. Duplicate it twice for variation. Add a circle shape. Change the color to white and duplicate it 3 times. Add your company logo. You can use a simple logo for now. Insert social media icons and match their color to the background. Add a red glow and then change the color to orange for a warm effect. Go to position and drag it under all the layers. Go to elements and search for grain texture. Set transparency to 30. Go to position and drag it under all the layers. Add a shadow. Add a discount tag. Add a shadow. Set its transparency to 50. Go to position and drag it below the sticker. Make final adjustment if needed. Here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to get this template, just comment below. Thanks for watching.